Dress code ideas for your upcoming kiddie party.
Here are some kiddie party theme ideas for your next upcoming kiddie party as a host.
Bollywood theme, Hawaiian theme, masquerade theme. For more details, please refer to the comments section. Childhood theme, Anarkali theme, black and white theme, rainbow theme, Master Chef theme, retro theme, belly dance theme. For more details, please refer to the comments section. Politics theme, wedding theme, Bengali bride theme. To plan your own unforgettable events, connect with VenueLook.com.
VenueLook, your event venue and vendor discoverer.